한번도 말해봐. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 한번. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word 한번. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 149. 한번. 한번. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is han, the second syllable is bon. Pronounce it with me. 한번. 한번. The word 한번 is the Korean noun for once. The word once indicates that an action should be done or will be done for one time. Now, how do we spell 한번 in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable han in Hangul, we need to draw first a hiyu character, followed by an a character, followed by a nian character. For the second syllable bon, we need to draw first a biup character, followed by an o character, followed by a nian character. And then we just have to combine the hangul of each of these syllables to form the hangul of the word 한번. That is how we spell 한번 in Hangul. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word 한번, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, try to say it once more. The Korean translation of this sentence is 한번 또 말해봐. Again, it's 한번 또 말해봐. The meaning of the word 한번, which is our word for today, is once, or to do it for one time. The word 또 means more. So when we say 한번 또, it means once more. So an action should be done for one more time. The last part of the sentence is 말해봐, which means to say it or to tell me. So if these three are combined, it would result to a sentence that means, tell me once more, or say it one more time. So, looking back at the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence, 한번 더 말해봐, is simply, try to say it once more. And with that, you've just learned 한번. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 139 to 148. But don't forget our word for today, word number 149, 한번, which means once. Word number 148 is sarang, and this is the Korean noun for love. Word number 147 is ajama, and this is the Korean noun for an old woman, which is approximately of the same age as our mother. Word number 146 is ajose, and this is the Korean noun for an old man, which is of the same age as our father. Word number 145 is imo, and this is the Korean noun for aunt. Word number 144 is samchon, and this is the Korean noun for uncle. Word number 143 is jame, and this is the Korean noun for sisters. Word number 142 is yongjae, and this is the Korean noun for brothers. Word number 141 is dongseng, and this is the Korean noun for younger sibling. Word number 140 is maknae. This is the Korean noun for youngest sibling, or it could also mean the youngest in the family or a group. Word or phrase number 139 is 뭐라고, and this is an informal way of asking, what did you say? Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.